On a radiant sunny day, the neighborhood park buzzed with laughter and merriment. John, an 8-year-old boy with short black hair and green eyes, stood out in his bright red t-shirt and denim shorts. His energy was infectious as he played, surrounded by friends, the embodiment of joy and cheerfulness. While navigating through the park, John noticed his friend Lucy, a petite girl with pigtails, crouched over her broken bicycle. With a confident and helpful smile, John approached her. "Need a hand?" he asked. Lucy nodded, her frustration evident. John set to work, his hands moving skillfully over the bike's mechanisms as Lucy watched with growing gratitude. Soon enough, the bicycle was as good as new, and Lucy's face lit up with relief. Later that day, John's keen eyes spotted an elderly lady standing at the edge of a bustling street, struggling with heavy grocery bags. Without hesitation, John rushed to her side. "Let me help you, ma'am," he said, taking some of the bags. Together, they crossed the road safely amidst the whir of cars and pedestrians. The lady's look of relief and gratitude warmed John's heart. At the local community center, John's spirit of service continued. He volunteered to help distribute food to the needy, his smile brighter than the noon sun. He handed out meals with genuine warmth, making each recipient feel appreciated and cared for. The atmosphere was lively, filled with the collaboration of volunteers and the thankful smiles of the community members. John's day was far from over. His friends faced an obstacle with their science project. They needed to build a working model but were short on materials. John's mind raced with creative solutions. He gathered recyclable materials from around the neighborhood and led his team with enthusiasm. Their combined efforts paid off, and the project was a success. The friends celebrated, John at the forefront, their spirits high with camaraderie and triumph. As the day waned, John returned home feeling fulfilled. His parents welcomed him back with open arms, their pride evident. They praised his efforts, enveloping him in a big hug. John's heart swelled with happiness, ready for more heroic deeds. The day ended with a warm family scene, John's contentment a testament to the impact of his good deeds.